We belongs to Ponnore Enterprises LLP, and we have a factories in two places, Kerala and Andhra Pradesh. Our plant in PVC in Nagari. We are producing plastic PVC pipes and fittings, and pipes also we are producing, and we are selling our product to all South region. Also, we are the distributor of Multibase India Limited. It's a DuPont company supplying thermoplastic elastomer, thermoplastic olefin, thermoplastic rubber, and a silicon master batch. So it's all going for the automotive application. Also going non-automotive application. So to past 25 years we are in the market, PVC pipes and fitting manufacturer. Now day by day we are growing and we have added some more product also. It's called garden hoses and kitchen sink and product PVC protector. So everything we added. You want to ask anything more? This is the first time we are participating. We belong to Chennai, so we are always participating in Chennai. And this time they have recommended it's a good. You will get a good customer support. That's why you are participating. Thank you.